What's up guys, and welcome to Air Talk. You're here bagging with the best. I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and on this episode we're going to run you through our vehicle specific installation instructions and owner's manual that gets supplied in all of our air suspension kits. Let's do it, shall we? Now, before you install your airbag kit, you need to run through your installation instructions and have a good old read through your owner's manual. Benny, what is the installer going to find in their installation instructions?
So these will run you through the whole install step by step, also including pictures, key tips, and also precautions, which will help you successfully install the kit. Now, not only that, it also includes your minimum and maximum airbag pressures and operating heights where required.
It is important that you stick within your min and maximum pressures as well as the airbag heights for the maximum lifespan out of your gear. Let's move on to the owner's manual, shall we?
Yep.
This gives you a great rundown on how to operate your air suspension kit, warnings, important info, general maintenance, after sales support, and troubleshooting.
All of the documents are located in the black wallet, which can go straight into your glove box. It also comes with a warning label for your door jamb and an Airbag Man sticker for your vehicle.
There we go guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We hope you enjoyed watching it. Now if you've got anything you'd like us to talk about air related, just whack it in the comments below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Now remember, bag it with the best.